Okay, so following up on my last video, yeah, I have some more things to say. This is an issue जो बहुत serious होता जा रहा है. It is getting very very serious and troublesome and painful. People think it is easier to end their life than to share their pain with someone. You know why? Because जब आप किसी से because लोग बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं. Oh, you should share your pain with your loved ones. Oh, you should share. Oh, talk to me. मेरे से बात करो. Oh, you can always talk to me. I'm a complete stranger, but you can talk to me. Oh, I know I haven't been in touch in ages. But when that person actually tries to reach out to those people and share his troubles, what do those people do? Oh, sorry, मैं busy हूँ. Oh, you're weird. इससे दूर रहो. उसके तो कुछ ज़्यादा issues हैं. That's what people have done to me all the time. I know exactly what Sushant must have felt being abandoned by the industry, not being invited anywhere, not being included in anything, because पूरी ज़िंदगी मेरी यही रही है. My entire life has been rejection. Rejection by girls, rejection by my friends, rejection even by my teachers, even by a lot of people in my family. उनमें से कोई मानेगा नहीं इस बात को. No one will admit this. Oh, and when I'm talking about reaching out, I always do that. I always reach out to people. Just casually. Hey, how are you? It's been a long time. I ask them about them and I also talk about myself. And you know what? I may appear to be self-absorbed a lot of the time because I really like to talk about myself, because मैं जब बोलना शुरू होता हूँ, so I start talking. I keep talking without realizing, because some of the things I have done in my life are very exciting for me. They're a big deal for me. So when I start talking about them, I don't realize that it's maybe coming off as bragging. Of course, I apologize for that, because that's not what I mean. But I do ask about the other person. I may be self-absorbed, but I am not selfish like the rest of the world. I don't treat people the way people treated Sushant, the way I was treated. I don't treat people like that. When I see someone who has problems, even if I don't know what those problems are, I see them acting in a certain way because of those problems, and I don't know what it is, I don't start judging that person. Even if I don't have it in me that at that moment to go and talk to that person, try to find out what it is, try to see if that person needs to talk or something, even if I don't have the heart to do that every time, because I'm just too nervous to do it a lot of the time. But it's not like I don't do it, I do. But a lot of the time I don't have the courage. But even so, I don't start judging that person. I don't form an opinion. You know what I do? I pray for that person. If I can't do anything else, I pray for that person. That's what I started doing ever since I realized that I should not be judging. Sometime back in Amsterdam, I had a serious anxiety attack because of some personal issues. Every time I've had an anxiety attack in Malaysia, I've talked about this before, the only thing people could think of is, oh, this guy is crazy, just stay away from him. But when I had such a serious anxiety attack in Amsterdam, the only thing people could think of, oh, how can we help him? That's the kind of culture that parents wanted me to be in. That's why I went there. One or two strangers were there trying to help me. Some of my sister's friends were there helping me. Nobody judged me. No one judged me. I've thought so many times मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म कर दूँ. Maybe I should just die. Everyone is better off that way. When I realized, no, my parents and my sister are not better off that way. I am not better off that way, because my life isn't complete. I had a family friend who recently passed away. He was only 21. He didn't commit suicide, but he was under a lot of stress and depression. he was being forced to study what he didn't want. He wanted something else, but because the rest of his family were doing something else, everybody wanted him to do the same thing, regardless of what he wanted. That started making him weak, because उससे नहीं हो रहा था. He tried his best. He kept fighting. He kept on trying and trying and trying. Till his last breath, he kept on fighting. He kept on trying to do it, to make his parents proud, to make his parents happy. But he couldn't do it, and his heart started giving up. And what happened? He went to sleep, and one day, and he never woke up. He never woke up. Because he also felt alone. Like nobody understood him. Point being, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है ये पोस्ट करने का, ये ड्रामे सोशल मीडिया पे करने का. This facade that you people are putting on. Oh, I should be there for my friends. Oh, I should reach out to them. Oh, reach out to people. People, please reach out to people. I don't see anybody reaching out to anybody. I don't see ये जो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं लोग. I don't see them taking out the time to reach out to me. They know all the issues I've had, and God knows how many times I have actually posted on Facebook about all the issues I've had. I don't see any of them reaching out to me. I'm not making this about me, I'm just giving an example. Nobody bothers to reach out when they should. Oh, I'm busy, sorry, can't make it. Oh, I told you I'm busy. Oh, can we do this another time? Hey, it's been 2 months, you never told me anything. Oh, I'm so sorry, I never got out of this. This is what you people do. And then the person is dead, and you're like, oh, I wish I could have been there for him. What the hell do you even mean by that? What good do you think that's going to do? Or is it just some phony effort to clear your conscience? I'm sorry, your conscience isn't being cleared anytime soon. Advice, if I'm going to give advice, I would say the same thing. Reach out to your loved ones. Reach out to your friends. कभी इतने स्वाति आनंद ने एक इंटरव्यू में बात की थी. She was being interviewed about how she feels about Sushant's suicide. She was his co-star and his close friend. She was tearing up जैसे कि उसका खुद का भाई चला गया हो. And she said, ज़िंदगी में इतने भी बिजी ना हो जाओ कि तुम्हें पता ही ना चले कि तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है और वो कितनी बड़ी तकलीफ़ में है. And what I would like to say is, इंसानियत को इतना शर्मिंदा मत करो कि तुम इंसान लगना ही बंद हो जाओ. इतना नीचे मत गिरो कि उठने के लिए ज़मीन ही ना बचे. Don't let yourself fall so much in the darkness that you don't have anything to hang on to. Every person who has killed his loved ones because of money, because of greed, every person who has raped a woman or a child and gotten away with it, every person who has saved his son from rape charges knowing his son is guilty, every mother who has failed to teach her son to respect a woman, every parents who have failed to teach their children before sending them to school that they shouldn't be bullying someone who they think is different. They shouldn't teach someone who's going through something difficult. They should be supportive. Every person who has been so despicable in their lives, all of this will come back to you. You think being famous and having a lot of money is going to save you from the wrath of God? Good luck. Because you'll find out soon enough. Coronavirus is a sign from God, people. It is a sign from God. It is His way to give us a warning, to punish every human being for every despicable thing we have ever done. I have never done a single thing wrong in my life. I have made loads of mistakes. I've been immature. I have been childish. I've been mean at times, but I have never done a single thing wrong. I have never hurt anyone intentionally in my life. But I have been hurt like a trillion times. I have been hurt that so many times that I'm not going to say that I cannot imagine the pain Sushant was going through, because I know exactly what he was going through. Because when I was ready to jump off that building, or that second time when I was ready to slit my throat, I was going through the same pain. 5 years I spent at APU, at that university, trying to make a place for myself, trying to blend in, trying to make friends. What do people do to me? My own people of my own country didn't let me sing at my own Independence Day. Made me rehearse till the last minute, and one day before the event, at 12 freaking a.m. at night, they tell me, "Oh, sorry, we have to cancel your performance." 2 days later, after the event, I find out those immature people cancelled my performance because they were insecure. They were insecure that I might have stolen their spotlight. ये सोच है तुम लोगों की, this is how you people are. And Pakistanis, by the way, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, ये करने से कुछ नहीं होता, झंडे लहराने से कुछ नहीं होता. अपनी कंट्री को तुम लोग मुंह खोल खोल के डिफेंड कर रहे होते हो इंडिया के आगे, फ़ायदा क्या है? When you don't respect the people of your country, when you don't respect your country, जब तुम लोग चिप्स जूस खा पी के ज़मीन पे फेंक रहे होते हो, जब तुम लोग ज़रा सा एक्सीडेंट हो जाए सड़क पे उतर के तमाशे करना शुरू हो जाते हो, तब तुम्हारी कंट्री कहाँ जाती है, तब पेट्रियाटिज्म कहाँ जाता है? You people come out on social media and defend complete strangers, and yet अपने खुद के लोगों का सड़क पे कॉलर पकड़ा जा रहा है, पैसे निकलवाए जा रहे हैं, 6 साल के बच्चों का रेप हो रहा है. औरतों को कहा जा रहा है तुमने उसे सिग्नल दिया होगा. 6 साल के बच्चे का जब रेप होता है, टेल मी दिस, वो 6 साल का बच्चा भी कोई सिग्नल दे रहा होगा क्या? उसका भी चक्कर चल रहा होगा किसी के साथ? मदर्स ऑफ मेन स्पेशली, अपनी बहू को इंसान की तरह ट्रीट कीजिए. आपकी नौकरानी नहीं है, वो ग़ुलाम नहीं है, बहू है. एंड हस्बैंड्स अपनी बीवियों को मार पीट के तुम लोग क्या साबित करते हो कि तुम मर्द हो? Another kind of thing that drives women to suicide. But when I see a woman जो लड़ना नहीं छोड़ती, चाहे पूरी दुनिया उसको अकेला छोड़ के एक साइड पे हो जाए, वो फिर भी लड़ना नहीं छोड़ती. I admire that woman. I have tons of respect for that woman, क्योंकि वो फिर भी गिव अप नहीं करती, चाहे वो बिल्कुल अकेली रह जाए, चाहे इसको कत्ल करने की कोशिश की जा रही हो, चाहे इसको डराया धमकाया जा रहा हो, वो गिव अप नहीं करती. आज तक आई प्रेज खदीजा, जो उसके साथ हुआ, एंड मिरेकुलसली शी केम आउट अलाइव बिकॉज गॉड वांटेड हर टू फाइट. गॉड वांटेड हर कि वो अपन इंसाफ के लिए लड़े और अपना इंसाफ हासिल करे. आई डोंट नो हर, बट आई रिस्पेक्ट हर एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग बिकॉज शी स्टूड अप फॉर हरसेल्फ. शी रिफ्यूज टू बाउ डाउन. She refused to be a sellout simply because जिस लड़के ने उसके साथ ये किया वो बहुत बड़े बाप की बिगड़ी हुई औलाद था. वो उसके बाप की पहुंच से नहीं डरी, उसके वकील के काले कोट से नहीं डरी, वो लड़ी अपने लिए. और बिल्कुल उसी तरह when Sushant was being treated like this, he fought as long as he could. जब तक वो बंदा फाइट कर सका, he tried. Didn't he? Usha ji played his mother in पवित्र रिश्ता. मैंने उनका इंटरव्यू देखा एंड शी वॉज क्राइंग जैसे उसका अपना बेटा चला गया. सबसे ज़्यादा तकलीफ इस बात से होती है, स्टिल पीपल रिफ्यूज टू, ये दोगलेपन से बाहर नहीं आते. People are telling me, Zain, you shouldn't post this, Zain, you shouldn't post that. Okay, stop giving me a reason to post these things. मैं भी कह सकता हूँ, you shouldn't judge, you shouldn't drive someone to suicide, you shouldn't make fun of someone for something he's going through. किसी की तकलीफ़ अगर समझ नहीं सकते हो ना, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बुरा बोलने का भी कोई हक नहीं पहुंचता किसी को. Nobody has a right to demean another person, no matter no matter how much of a big shot you are. तुम चाहे हॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में या बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में जितने मर्जी बड़े हो, you have no right. Lowest of the low. I saw that Karan, Ali and Aditi were very, very angry in their videos. I'm feeling that same anger. You know, when I reach out to people, I don't do it when I need something from them. Sure, I talk to them जब मुझे उनसे कुछ चाहिए हो. When I do need something as a friend, I do. But मैं किसी को use नहीं कर रहा होता. I'm not using anybody. I actually try to stay good to people. I reach out to people aam sham, just casually, simply because I feel like it, because I think I should. I don't reach out only when something bad has already happened. That's a different story, that most of the people I reach out to don't give a shit about it, that someone is making the effort. Oh, by the way, when the thing I talked about that happened to me as an intern, that inappropriate touching thing, I told a friend of mine about it, Pakistani friend. You know what he said to me? You're not a woman, get over it. ये सोच है लोगों की. This is the way you people think. ये दोस्ती निभाने का तरीका है. You're not a woman, get over it. तुम आदमी हो, तुम पत्थर हो, इंसान नहीं हो. अल्लाह ने इंसान नहीं बनाया तुम्हें. This is why increasing number of men are committing suicide as well. And an increasing number of men have so much male ego. Because people are constantly telling them, मर्द रोते नहीं, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, मर्द को ये नहीं हो सकता, मर्द को वो नहीं हो सकता. कोई कभी मर्द को ये क्यों नहीं कहता कि अपनी बीवी को रुलाना नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें? कोई ये क्यों नहीं कहता मर्द से कि अपनी बीवी की इज़्ज़त करो, औरत की इज़्ज़त करो जैसे अपनी माँ बहन की करते हो? और मैं आदमियों को देख रहा हूँ, दे कैन डू व्हाटएवर द फक दे वांट इन देयर लाइफ. 6 लड़कियाँ घुमा रहे हैं एंड व्हाट नॉट. एक लड़की के साथ सीरियस होने के ड्रामे कर रहे हैं और साथ उस पर चीट कर रहे हैं. लेकिन उनकी बहन ने गलती से अपनी मर्ज़ी से किसी लड़के से दोस्ती कर ली. आज के बाद तुम उस लड़के से नहीं मिलोगी. व्हाट द हेल इज़ दिस? क्या साबित करना चाह रहे हो तुम? सब कहते हैं कि फेमिनिज़म है दुनिया में, इक्वल राइट्स हैं. क्या इक्वल राइट्स हैं? आज तक ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं, तो क्या इक्वल राइट्स हैं? और एक आदमी जो एक अच्छा इंसान है, उसको उसके डिज़र्विंग जो रिस्पेक्ट डिज़र्व करता है वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती है उसे. आई बीन गुड टू पीपल. आई स्पेंड माई होल लाइफ ट्राइंग टू फाइट फॉर women's rights. I spent a good part of my life trying to help people. The only thing I got in return was zillat, bezati, isolation, judgments, snarky comments, accusations. That's what I get. People have lectured me, oh Zaim, जिसकी गलती होती है ना वही apologize करता है. So where the hell is my apology? After all the crap that people have put me through, where is my apology? मुझे नहीं apology मिला आज तक. Where was Sushant Singh Rajput's apology? Where is Khadija's apology? Where is Zainab's apology? जो 6 साल की बच्ची है, उसको रेप का मतलब नहीं पता और उसकी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद कर दी. The only thing I would say is stop it. Stop doing this. Stop trying to prove कि दूसरे बुरे हैं. Stop trying to call other people terrorists or just horrible people or selfish people. Stop trying to give labels to other people. Look at yourselves. I'm angry because this reminded me of a lot of things that I have gone through in my life. I was lucky. I was fortunate that I had friends who deeply cared about me. I had a friend, she was a Bangladeshi girl, She was willing to go and break everybody's face for me just simply because she couldn't see me in the pain I was in. She saw my post about my anxiety attack and she messaged me right there just to ask me if I wanted to talk. My cousins in Canada reached out to me to see if I was okay, to see if there's anything I need to tell them. That is why I am still alive, if I am not suicidal anymore. But Sushant, he probably didn't have anyone. He probably thought मैं किसी से बात नहीं कर सकता, मैं किसी को ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर सकता, अपनी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म कर देता हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. That's how that person feels who chooses to end his life at that stage of his life. So the only thing I would say is start being there for the people you love, and if you truly love them, mean it. Don't just post things about, just post lectures about how it is wrong and how you should reach out to people. Take out the time and actually reach out to people. Coronavirus की वजह से we've been under lockdown for such a long time. You people still don't have the time, but you have the time to gossip and post. Lecture देना बंद करो और जो कह रहे हैं वो करके दिखाओ. Do it. Reach out to someone you love right now. Start doing it immediately. एक मैसेज करने में आप चाहे जितने भी बिजी हैं, does not take more than a measly second to leave a message. And I'm speaking this as a person who constantly reaches out to people. Thank you for listening, and I hope कि मैसेज ग्रास्प किया होगा किसी ने, and I hope कि लोगों ने अपनी सेल्फिशनेस, अपने एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम्स में इसको इग्नोर ना कर दिया like they always do.